Hi guys, welcome back to Everyday Life with Kim25. Hi guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing what health products do I do for my health. All my stuff that I have here, but mostly what I use every single day. I don't do regular shampoo or conditioner or hand soap or laundry soap because they all have chemical in there, and then I have an allergy with it. So for my health, I do all unscented things. I don't do any scented thing because if I do any scented, I get a headache. And I have, like I said, I have chronic headache every day. And I can't do anything with that. So for my health and my allergy and what I use for a daily life, I do the projects. So let's get into it. So first we have my hand soap, which is Mama Suds. And how I do this is a little bit of this, a little bit of water, and that's how I do my soap. And it is Mama Suds, and Mama Suds is unscented. And where you can buy this is at the Mama Suds company. Boom. Next up, we have my laundry detergent or laundry soap, either way. Oh my gosh. It's so, it plant. And it is clear and free. And I use this for, of course, my laundry. Clothes, sheet, towel, quilts. I use this for my laundry, and it's been helping. And where you can buy my laundry soap is from Meyers. Next up, we have my dish soap. And you can buy this at Whole Foods. I use this on my dishes. I only do this soap because it's been helpful and I like it. Now we're on my toilet paper. I have a special brand. And like I don't need toilet paper. Toilet paper, it might have corn in it or whatever, and smells. So I do Scott 1000, and you can buy this at Meyers. Now we have my conditioner and my shampoo. So in my shampoo, it is Desert Essence Favorite Free shampoo. And then we also have my conditioner with a clear, C-L-E-U-R-E, conditioner. You can buy this at National Grocer, and you can buy both of them at Amazon. This one also has a clear company, so you can also buy that, or you can buy it on Amazon, either way. And I've been in and out with shampoo for a while, so I like to try new shampoo and conditioner, but I found these two have been really helpful. They don't make my head itch, which is a plus. The last thing we're doing is my toothpaste. And it's the Silver Herb Paste. And it was wintergreen, so this one is scented because I need something scented for my teeth just to smell nice and good. So the wintergreen, they have other flavor too, so that's what it looked like. I'm going to show you what it looked like inside, what it really looked like. Whoa. Oops. Okay, well, that's what it looked like. Oh, it smells so good. and put a little bit on my toothbrush and water, and that's how I do my toothpaste. It is vegan free, I think gluten free as well, and other stuff. So this is really good for my teeth, and yeah, I love it. So that is all my health project, health thing I do for my health. And if you like this vlog of mine, please give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I be posting, share with a favorite friend, and we'll see you soon. Bye!